guests, journalists, respected parents, dear teachers, staff, and students, please accept my humble namaskar. First of all, I would like to extend my heartiest welcome to you all in our cultural and prize distribution ceremony. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome the distinguished gathering for the school annual cultural celebrations. On behalf of Gorkha English Boarding School, Deep Height, I warmly and respectfully welcome the chief guest, Father Victor Beck S.J., Father of Sisu Vikas Kendra Bagaleto. Father Victor Beck S.J. is from Ranchi, Gumla district, India. He came to Nepal in 1985. He went to Jhapa in 1997 and stayed there for 10 years. At that time, he started St. Xavier School and Father Moraine School in Jhapa. Then he served in St. Xavier School at Godavari for 3 years. Now he is serving in Sisu Vikas Kendra, Bagaletol, Pokhara. Now, I also extend my welcome to the parents, guests, and ex-students who thought it worthwhile to be here and to encourage and boost the morale of our budding talent. To begin the function, may I have the pleasure of requesting our Honorable Chief Guest, Father Victor Beck, S.J., to grace the chair. I would like to request Father Norbert S.J. to grace the chair. I again would like to request fathers, brothers, and sisters to grace their chairs. I would also like to request Mr. Rambadur Mochi, President of NPAPSN Kaski, to grace the chair. I would like to request executive and other members of NPAPSN Kaski to grace the chairs. I would also like to request Mr. Chandra Bahadur Pun, Chairman of Kopila Children House, to grace the chair. I would also like to request Mr. Pritam Man Buddhacharya, Vice Chairman of Kopila Children House, to grace the chair. I would also like to request Mr. Ek Dev Devkota, Director of Kopila Children House, to grace the chair. I would like to request executive members and staff of Kopila Children House to grace the chairs. I would like to request all the journalists, guests, our dear parents, and ex-students to grace the chairs. Lastly, I would like to request our school director and principal to grace the chairs. Now, I would like to request our volunteers to present the bouquet, badges, and program to the distinguished guests. Vikas Kendra, Bagaletol, to grace the occasion by lighting the panas.